Hello guys, my name is Virak Shah and I am a intern in a Infotech solution, and I made a project which name is crop guard, and it will detect and predict the disease related plants. When we put image in our platform, it can predict and get more than 90% accuracy of predicted how the plant diseases are. So this is our 4 week roadmap how we can I can build this project. So this is the first when we create this in first week I bought image acquisition, EDA and pre-processing. So this is the graph of EDA, and the second week I use the custom CNN architecture for training my data. I use training data sets in each and every plants and its diseases and put it into custom CNN. And approximately I done 50 epoch. And then this is the whole graph of a training and validation loss. And this is the training and validation accuracy after second week. And that's really nice. And I use the deep advanced CNN architecture for that. And in the final week, I use the evolution and inference and development. This is the only final week work for me. And this is the whole graph. This is the advanced CNN matrix. This is the not updated, but it show when more than 30, 33, 38%. It shows the accurate. We can consider it's a true, but in my current project, I updated everything and I increased the training hypothesis, and it shows me more than 90% confidence. So it's more accurate than before. I can showcasing this my live project. This is my live project. Let's clear this data, and this is my this is the platform I am running in localhost 3000. You can see. This is the diagnostic scanner. Let's put image on that. Let's browse. This is the training data image. I can let's put Apple's test and analyze it. Guys, you can see the more than 90% confidence. It is the Apple scrap. Yes, this is the Apple scrap because we know because I mentioned this is in my image. So this is the accuracy and the high severity. It can show the how severity was a plant has, and the precautions of all that. How can we use precautions and how to reduce these things. And when we put this image and our data is can be added in a library, and this all data when we put each and every image, and it can generate each and every predict each and every plant's diseases. It can be added in this library section, and we can use a filter to check. Let's check on Apple. Yes, we can see the Apple script also there. And in the analysis analytics section, it can show how much we use this data into it. So this is the whole data train. How threat severity we can use a potato light bright, apple script, tomato yellow leaf your virus, and etc etc. And this and it shows the graph, detection velocity graph, and the crop distributions. It shows the analysis. This is the live how each time we use the number. It can showcase the number how much time we use this. So that's all. Thank you for seeing my project. I am Vairag Shah, and thank you Infotech Solution for providing me this opportunity.